Welcome to the e-class of DePaul School, Baripada. Good morning, children. Children, how are you all, children? I am sure you are fine at home. Stay at home, stay safe. Now only we had our happily exam, children. So this lesson is for second unit test. So children, my request to you all, please watch this video seriously at home, attentively, repeatedly, because until we meet in the classroom, it is this video only will help you to understand the lessons. Today I am going to teach grammar way for class 5 students. Lesson number 11. The lesson is past continuous tense. The lesson is past continuous tense. So it is very important. Please watch this video. It is very important that you should know correct form of using verb, and which is in which form, whether present or past or future. You should well aware of those things. So unless you know this, you cannot use a correct verb in the sentence and you cannot get a correct sentence. So let's begin the sentence, children. So actually begin the lesson. We use the past continuous tense to talk about an action that was going on, continuing at a particular point in time in the past. Means past continuous tense is a form of verb which was going on in the past, not now. Which was going in the past, but it was continuing, it was not over. That's why it is called continuous tense, past continuous tense. Here some examples are given. They were studying in their classroom at 5 o'clock. Neha was going for a walk every day of last week. They, here we can see they and Neha are both the subject. One is plural, another is singular. They is plural subject and Neha is singular subject. So both the case were studying and was going used the verb which shows that they are in past continuous form. So here you can see they were studying in their room at 5 o'clock. Were studying shows that the verb is in past form but in continuous tense. Were studying. Neha is singular subject or singular noun. So was going for a walk every day of last week. Last week shows that the time was happened in the past, not now. So was shows that the sentence is in past tense, and going ing shows that it is in continuous tense. He was going for work in the last week continuously. Forming the verb in the past continuous tense. We use the past continuous tense by forming a past tense of the verb be or was, were, and the ing form of the main verb. Means when we use were, was or were to a sentence, that time we show that the sentence is in past form. When we use ing to the verb of the sentence, it shows that it is in past continuous form. I was eating my food when my brother rushed into the room. He was writing a letter when his mother knocked on the door. She was shouting at the stranger when we arrived. It was barking when I went out of the garden. In all the case, you see verb rushed, knocked, arrived, and went. These are all verb in the past tense. These are all verb in the past tense. So these sentences are in the past form. But when we come to the helping verb was, in all the case I or he, she, it, these are all singular pronouns. These are all singular pronouns. So we use was to the verb to show that it is in past form. When we add ing to the verb like eating, writing, shouting and barking, This shows that the verb is in past continuous forms. I was eating, he was writing, she was shouting, it was barking shows that the subject was doing the thing when it was in the past time, not now. So it is said to be past continuous form. I was eating my food when my brother rushed into the room. I, as I told you, singular pronoun here. So we use was. When this pronoun or subject is singular, we use was, and verb is having ing form. Verb is having ing form. Ishita was making her chart yesterday when Rohini reached home. We were listening to the breaking news when we heard a loud sound outside. You were sleeping when Aunt Vinita left. They were studying in the room when the bell rang. The animals were hiding in the cave when the hunter came near. You can see Ishita talking about a single girl. We plural pronoun. You plural pronoun. They plural pronoun. Animals plural nouns. When Ishita singular noun, we use was making. When we plural pronoun, we used were listening. When you plural pronoun, were sleeping. They plural pronoun, were studying. When plural noun, animals, were hiding. So past continuous tense happen when the verb is in the past form. But at the same time, when the subject is singular, we use was ing. When the subject becomes plural, whether it's noun or pronoun, we use were ing. We were listening to the breaking news when we heard a loud sound outside. So we have plural pronoun, so were listening. You were plural pronoun. You were sleeping when Aunt Vinita left. So you is the pronoun here, which plural form. So were sleeping. Then we come to the exercise part of this lesson. Fill in the blanks with the past continuous tense form of the verb in the bracket. The verb is given. You have to use the verb. The bracket it is given in present form. You have to use in past continuous form. I dash cycle when it started raining. Cycle is here verb, not noun. So verb cycle you have to use in plural form, past continuous form by seeing the subject I. I is what I told you, singular pronoun. So I was cycling when it started raining. Second one, we dash paint in the chart and craft room at 1 o'clock. We is plural pronoun. So where we were painting in the chart and the craft room at 1 o'clock. The children dash play in the park when I saw them. Children plural pronoun, plural noun. So where children were playing in the park when I saw them. At noon, Payal and Rishi dash enjoy bracket sitting in the sun. So here we are talking about two children, Payal and Rishi. So the plural we have were enjoying. You also plural pronoun were cutting. You were cutting the ribbon when the teacher entered the room. My mother is singular noun here. So singular will have was. So my mother was writing a letter to the municipal corporation when she heard about the incident. So here in this exercise bit we can say that when the subject is singular we use was ing form of the verb. When the subject is plural, were ing form of the verb. Bit number B, rewrite the sentence correctly by using the past continuous tense. You have to use the sentence in past continuous tense, like my brother repaired the car at 6 o'clock yesterday when his friend arrived. So it was in past tense. Now we'll write in past continuous form. My brother was repairing. Yes, my brother is singular. Brother is one person. So was repairing the car at 6 o'clock yesterday when his friends arrived. Second one, the birds chirped when the dog barked at them. The birds plural. S you see birds, birds, S. So plural form of noun birds. Here we have to use where. The birds were chirping when the dog barked at them. Third one, Mehak slept when her friends came. Mehak is a noun which is in singular form because we are talking about one girl, Mehak. So Mehak was sleeping when her friends came. Next one, the wind blew hard when the storm started. The wind singular. So the wind was blowing hard when the storm started. The cat chased the mouse when I opened the door. The cat singular noun here. The subject is singular. So you have to use was. The cat was chasing the mouse when I opened the door. Charu sang melodiously when the judge entered the hall. Charu, singular noun. So was singing, past continuous form. Charu was singing melodiously when the judge entered the hall. Bit number D, rewrite the sentence correctly by using the past continuous tense. It was raining heavily, so I stayed at home all day. This question was it was rain heavily, so I stayed at home all day. Means question is in incorrect form. Means if you want to change the sentence in past form, past continuous form, you have to use ing to the verb rain. It was raining heavily, so I stayed at home all day. Second one, my father read the newspaper when I woke up. It will be past continuous form will be my father was reading. My father singular. So was reading the newspaper when I woke up. Haris is slept when we heard his house. We reached the house. Haris is slept when we reached his house. Haris is singular, so Haris was sleeping when we reached his house. Fourth one, I watched television when my mother came home. The past continuous form will be I was watching television when mother came home. I singular now pronoun, so was watching. He was doing his work when Sumit came to call him. He singular pronoun was doing. He was doing his homework when Sumit came to call him. Sixth one, it is washing the cloth while my brother were. I is washing the cloth while my brother were cleaning the bicycle at 5 o'clock yesterday. I is a singular pronoun, so we have to use was. I was washing the cloth while my brother was cleaning the bicycle at 5 o'clock yesterday. So this lesson is over, children. Very important lesson, past continuous tense. So you please watch it repeatedly as I told you in the earlier part of the video. It is very important that you understand what I am saying in every sentence in this lesson. Then only you can follow. If you will follow, then only you can understand what is there in this sentence, or whether how to change a sentence to a past continuous form. So please be serious about your future exam, that is second unit test. This lesson is for second unit test. Thank you, children, for watching this video. Have patience and give time to your studies. God bless you. Bye bye till we meet again with such beautiful video.